Are we in a bear market? Have we already seen the top for Bitcoin and crypto in this cycle? Or is this just the setup for an ultra bullish 2025, the last explosive bull run that could bring gains? The market has been absolutely brutal since February. Many are pointing fingers at Donald Trump, blaming him for ending altcoin season and stopping Bitcoin from pushing past 110k. But is this crash the start of a bear market, or is this a deliberate move, just a necessary shakeout before the biggest pump of our lifetime? Hi, my name is Lamia, and in this video I'll break down exactly what's happening in the market right now, what to expect next if you're holding crypto, planning your next move, or just trying to survive this volatility. Stay tuned. So why the market is crashing and what is really happening? Crypto isn't crashing in isolation. The entire financial market is feeling the heat. The Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq have all been obliterated, from tech to AI stock, all wrecked. So it's not just the crypto market. This is a broader market downturn. And if history has taught us something, is that when stocks are down, risk on assets like crypto and Bitcoin take a hit because they are correlated. It's not the crypto that was targeted, the stock market was. I will explain why. While some blame Trump for rug pulling the market, but in my opinion, he's setting up the biggest crypto bull run in history. Here's why. First, the strategic crypto reserve. The US is legitimizing crypto beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP, Solana, and even newer layer ones like Sui are getting recognition. Second, Trump wants to refinance the US government's 9 trillion debts at lowest rate, and the fastest way to do this: crash the market, bring bond yields down, then pump liquidity back in. Here's how. Trump has contentious history with the Federal Reserve. During his first term, he criticized the Fed's policy, called them insane, and even considered firing Jerome Powell over rate hikes. Now, beyond yields are dropping, big money is shifting from stocks to bonds. That's a classic flight to safety move. So, how about the housing market? Home sales are at their lowest since 1995. Americans are drowning in debts, credit cards, auto loans, mortgages. It's all at record high, and raising interest rates are making it unbearable. So what if Trump is deliberately letting the economy suffer just enough to pressure the Feds into cutting rates? Think about it. Beyond yield dropping, stocks sliding, housing frozen, it's like he's setting the stage for a dramatic recovery. Third is the tariff play. Earlier this year, Trump threatened massive tariff on import from Canada, Mexico and China. He's pulling back, but now, just as economy shows weaknesses, he's dropping the tariff bomb again. Coincidence? I don't think so. Tariff spikes inflation, drive up price, and put pressure on the Fed to cut rates. And when the Fed cut rates, everything changes. Cheaper debt, revived housing market, stock bounce back. It's like injecting adrenaline into the system. Tariffs and stimulus packages could bring massive liquidity back into the economy and into risk assets like crypto. And we know liquidity drives crypto bull markets. If we analyze historical cycles, we're in a setup for a major liquidity pump into 2025. But here's the catch. The Fed in a tough spot. If they don't cut rates, markets deep bleeding and they get the blame. If they do cut rates, Trump can say, see, I was right, they shouldn't have done this all along. It's a lose-lose for the Feds, and Wall Street knows it. Investors are already pricing in rate cuts, with bond yields dropping from 4.8% in January to 4.2% now. If this is intentional, it's a dangerous power play. Trump lets the economy suffer just enough to force the Fed's hand, then rides the wave of recovery all the way to the White House. But if this backfires, If the Fed hesitates or inflation resurge, it could crash not just the stocks, but trust in the entire financial system. And that's where crypto comes in. While the old system plays these desperate games, crypto's a free market. No manipulation, no artificial stimulation. Successful projects thrive, failed ones don't. It's a cleansing, healthy process, and if this game bit falls, more people will turn to crypto as a safe haven. So, if you hear anyone saying Bitcoin is finished or crypto is a scam, they are wrong. This market is just getting started. How to position yourself for a massive gain? Should you be buying now? Not necessarily. The best multipliers happen during the bull phase, not before. Here's how to approach this market smartly. Stay in stablecoin. Don't drain your liquidity trying to always catch the bottom. Wait for the trend confirmation. Follow the narrative. When the market signals a true uptrend, that's when you strike. Here are top narrative I'm watching. AI agent narratives. AI is the future, and projects in this space could explode in the next bull run. Real-world assets and tokenized assets. Real-world assets are gaining traction, and this sector could see massive growth. Gaming and metaverse. Gaming and metaverse projects are still in the early stage, but they have huge potential. So what to do now? My advice, DCA smartly. If you do buy, scale in slowly instead of going all in. The worst thing you can do right now is to panic. The best thing you can do, stay patient. Keep your capital ready and wait for the true bull phase to begin. Everything is aligned for a historic run in the 2025. If you position yourself wisely, you won't just make money, you could change your financial future forever. Remember, crypto is just a vehicle. Whether this is a natural cycle or a calculated power move, one thing is clear. The old financial system is showing its flaws. Trump's dangerous game could either lead to a dramatic recovery or spectacular crash. Either way, the crypto market stands to benefit as people seek alternatives to a system they no longer trust. Are we in a bear market? Is Trump going to be the catalyst for the biggest pump ever? And what coin are you looking at? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss. Before we wrap up, I'm starting a Telegram community. Join us as we discuss market trends, top crypto picks, and strategies in the real time. Don't miss out. Be part of an exclusive group of forward-thinking investors. Link is down below, and until then, see you in the next one.